Islam is. So for example, Aisha radiallahu anha, who was one of the wives of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, she was responsible for actually transmitting a huge corpus of the hadith, the prophetic narrations, which I mentioned earlier. And she was also a key jurist and legal thinker, which has helped to form our understanding of Islam as we know it today. In fact, women have fulfilled the work of intellectual Muslims to such an extent that the contemporary Sheikh Akram Nadwi, who is a sheikh in our time, he's documented at least 8,000 Muslim female scholars across global history, and that's only in the field of hadith sciences. Only in the fields of hadith. That doesn't include medicine, that doesn't include other forms of technology or science or anything else, only in hadith sciences, not languages, not poetry. There were many in those fields as well, but just in this area of religious knowledge and education, because people often say that it's a male-dominated religion, at least 8,000 of those that were known, at least 8,000. Now, because Islam doesn't make a discriminatory differentiation between the male and female intellect, both male and female students are actually reported, historically documented, to have congregated to learn from these female intellects. And they would often gather around her home in huge crowds and swathes, you know, trying to get just a minute to ask her a question because there's so many people. And these are legal questions about Islamic law, about jurisprudence, about the Arabic language that leads to that. And some notable male scholars, if anybody has familiarity